Hello, this is Joe Jacobson. Thanks for tuning in today to another short tutorial about article writing. Particularly, we're going to talk a little bit about the benefits of it for you as an internet marketer, building your business, and what those advantages are. Basically boils down to two things: backlinks and getting some more traffic to your central hubs, your central marketing hub. So that's what I want to do here real quick, show you a couple of those benefits and how you can start getting those for yourself. Here's Google here, and it's on the screen, and here's an article I recently wrote, How to Convert Articles into Subscribers. Let's do a quick search here on that and see what comes up. Okay, this article came up real quick. That is, it showed up on the first page in the #1 spot for search results, 105 million search results, which is fairly competitive, very competitive. And apparently I did good on that one for that. But anyways, you can do the same thing, and that's what we want to look at here. And what now actually did this help me as far as traffic goes? Well, if anybody clicks on it, of course, they'll eventually arrive at my article. Let me click on it now, and they'll get to the article. They can read the article. I want to point out a couple of things. Again, the main topic here of this video is about backlinks and follow and no-follow type of backlinks. And let me explain that to you if you don't know what that is. This is the article, and down here is the link, and this goes directly over to, it's a hyperlink, and you see here that it's an actual direct link, and I'm going to get credit for this. In other words, it is a follow link. Goes straight to my blog and that particular blog post. Okay, that's zinearticles. They're one of the better ones, but I want to show you a little bit more. So let's go back to the search results again and scroll down and see what some other results show here. Now, here's my video, by the way, on the same topic that came out also on the first page. And you see a lot of these are actually articles. They do real well in the search engines. But I want to scroll over here to page 2, because I noticed here when I was looking at this the other day, another one right here. There's another article base, a couple more, but this one right here is going to illustrate some of the points I want to make here for you. This is the article here on this article directory. And let's take a look when it loads up here. Some of the points that I want to talk about: backlinks, follow and versus no follow. While this is loading up, let me just say here, you want follow links. If it's a no follow type of a link, you will not get credit for it. It will not help you with your page rank on your primary site that you're linking to, and also you will get the traffic because it is actually a hot link. But okay, here we go. It is loaded up. Let me point out one other thing as we're scrolling through this article together. You see this? There's a link here that's in yellow, get traffic. Another one down here, search engine traffic. These are links, but they're actually sponsored type of links. Someone else's link has nothing to do with you. If you hover over it, something pops up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's someone else's link, and it's not good. You don't really need that in your article. That might take somebody away from your article. Down here, there's another link that's slide in code, that thing there. Somebody put that in there. That's the author that put that link in there. The problem is that you see it's in pink here, and I have that on my Firefox browser here to show whether it's a follow or no follow link. And it turns out that this in pink here, when it says that or shows that, it is a no follow link, and that's not good. In other words, you're not going to get credit toward that backlink. Okay, so that's not good, and that's just on this particular article directory. Okay, so that'll know whether, hey, you might not want to spend your effort putting it on this if they're not going to even give you credit. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Often there'll be a bio, like in the first one I pulled up. I didn't show you that, but zinearticles also allows you to put in a link, and they were follow zone, so that's good. This one here again is no follow, right there in your bio, so that's really bad. So this one would get kind of low ratings there on my scale. So, you know, those are the main things that I wanted to show you, and the main thing is to follow those principles there, and you will be able to start getting the backlinks when you write and publish these articles in the directories. I'm going to do another quick video. I want to keep this one pretty short with those two topics there, two main points. But I'm going to do another follow-up one that's going to show you another site or two which is a good example or maybe an excellent example of all the key points that if you had a wish list of everything that you would want to happen on that directory to your benefit. And so look for that there. Might be a link that pops up here on this video. That'll be over there on the blog, joejacobson.com blog, where you're going to see the ideal situation. Okay? So we'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you probably on the other blog itself for that. And happy article writing. It's definitely worth the effort. And we'll see you next time on another training. This is Joe Jacobson signing off for now.